Welcome to Auto Vibe, where today we bring you an incredible walk-around of a classic vintage lowrider car, a masterpiece that carries both history and style in every curve. As we stand in front of this beauty, the first thing that captures attention is the bold and timeless front grille, decorated with shining chrome that glimmers in the sunlight, reflecting the car's old-school charm. The headlights sit perfectly on each side, shaped with that iconic vintage design, giving a proud and confident expression that instantly takes you back to the golden era of custom cars. The front bumper, polished to perfection, enhances the low stance and makes the car look like it's hugging the ground with pride, exactly what lowriders are famous for. Moving to the back, the vintage personality continues with long, smooth tail fins and rounded taillights that glow like jewels, paying tribute to the classic car culture of the past. The rear bumper also shines with chrome details, while the trunk space looks clean and elegantly crafted. The lowrider suspension makes the car sit dramatically closer to the road, and you can almost imagine it bouncing gracefully down the street, showing off its hydraulics with style. From the right side, the full silhouette of this classic lowrider is revealed in its glory. The sleek body lines stretch seamlessly from front to back, with smooth curves and details that speak of an era when cars were more than just machines. They were works of art. The chrome trim running along the doors, the classic lowrider rims wrapped in white wall tires, and the custom paint with deep, glossy tones make this car an instant showstopper. The lowered stance adds to its aggressive yet elegant appeal, and every angle tells a story of culture, creativity, and passion. Stepping inside, the dashboard greets you with polished wooden trims, chrome switches, and vintage dials that look like they came straight out of the 1960s dream world. The steering wheel is big and stylish, wrapped in leather with a thin chrome ring that feels classic in every sense. The instrument cluster gives a simple yet classy vibe, keeping things original and authentic. The front seats are wide and cushioned, wrapped in premium leather with stitched patterns that give off a luxurious yet nostalgic touch. They provide plenty of comfort, making you feel like you're cruising in a timeless lounge on wheels. In the back seats, the story continues with spacious seating, matching upholstery, and that old-school comfort that modern cars often lack. Every inch of the cabin smells of craftsmanship and personality. Finally, under the hood, the engine room is a sight to admire. The powerful V8 engine sits proudly, dressed with chrome covers and polished components that sparkle with care and dedication. The wiring, hoses, and every little detail look clean and well-maintained, a true reflection of how much love has been poured into keeping this vintage lowrider alive and powerful. The sound of the engine is deep and soulful, perfectly matching the style of the car.